Monthly payment plans are bracketed by list size, starting at $19 per month for unlimited messages to up to 1,000 subscribers. Full details are available on the pricing page. With the discounts we offer, you can get 18% off a 12-month plan or 30% off a 24-month plan. We also offer an additional 10% discount for completing the Get Started checklist. Special pricing is available for registered nonprofit organizations. Click here to apply for up to a 50% discount. Custom solutions are available for Getresponse Max account users. You can place your order here. For email marketing packages, we offer extra paid add-ons for features such as webinar and multi-user. Webinars and team features are available within marketing automation and e-commerce marketing packages at no additional cost. The conversion funnel is available for all plans. The number and type of available funnels will depend on the chosen plan. Note: North American accounts may not have access to purchase or enable add-ons. These features are still available through the marketing automation and e-commerce marketing packages upon upgrade. How can I get the 10% discount for completing the Get Started checklist? We appreciate the time you take to learn our platform, so we offer an additional 10% discount upon completing the Get Started checklist. Depending on your main goals, you can complete 3 of them. Building my audience, sending emails, boost your online sales.